Yeah, good morning, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. This is another one from the Professor Talk on and this is the process. We are about opening this container, and so when they were filling out the kit, this container was meant to come in, I think, early January, but this is March because of both both the customs clearing, both the um, shipping company. They are not like Grimadi. Sorry to say this. Grimadi is a faster, although Grimadi was not, they are not even 100% this year because of so many logistics on their own part. But we thank God that the container is out. This is another one from Professor Mobility Global US class. So this container contains a GLK 2014, 2015 Camry, 2013 RX, and the third car is C9 Mazda 2010. So this container was meant to come out last week due to insufficient funds because some of the clients paying late, some of them are still paying. Even I have some people that just send their money today. These are the reason why at the end of the day they say they don't want them already. But it's not possible because in as much as we are trying to bring out everybody's vehicle at the same time, if demorage due to that vehicle, not only shipping company get the power to tell you how much your demorage. Even me, will be John, not get that power. Now through the paper shipping company give me, and I'm have to give you. Not to does the quote. If you tell me my you can calculate that thing for you, I know fit sabi, I know sabi how to calculate. So is a wake up call. If you no want to pay the money, pay your money on time. Not be only you go rush pay clearing, pay your shipping money on time. It is very important. Pay your shipping money on time. It makes things easy for everybody. So please, everybody should know how to do things the right way. So please, as we bring down the cars, we take inventory of them one after another. So the offloading machine starts with immediate effect. We thank you for patronizing them so auto, trying every of our new customer and returning customer. Like this company has two new customer and two returning customer. That's what this company has. So it's all working in progress. Everything. As we proceed, we will update you guys. God bless you all. Amen.